it.
Angry. Don't seem too angry. I just realized the skate isn't moving.
Yep.
And over the massive school of fish.
It's a male lobster.
I'm actually not sure.
The blue lobster.
But if you were to
I did not realize there's a blue lobster in here. One blue lobster is supposed to be like super rare.
That's supposed to be rare.
Blue lobsters. Oh, he's coming up to say hi.
Yep.
What about he's coming up to say hi?
No, there's another one on the other side.
Oh, yeah. There's a bigger fish inside the school. There's more. There's a little tiny skinny fish over here. And then there's the skate way over there. Wow. Look, there's a hermit crab.
What's that?
Hermit crab right in there. Oops.
Careful. How can you tell when it sucks it up since you can't see the underside?
I could feel it on the tongs.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll swallow the whole thing. They vacuum.
We've been.
These guys are skates.
The blue lobster, he's being fed too.
He's being fed too. Look at that. Look at him just grab around it. It's so. Look, he's awesome. He's sick.
What?
These fish, they're huge. These fish are big.
Oh my gosh, he is big. I didn't. So big.
Look at it, it's so cute. Is that a box fish? Or is that a pufferfish? I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether it's a box fish or a pufferfish.
Did you see this guy?
Hey little buddy, what are you? What's your friend? Whoa. You see the skate in the corner? The blue lobster is cool.
I know you're excited.
You're gonna scare him. Okay.
They're cute. Fish in here are really tiny and cute.
I know.
Oh, look at the little crab.
Yeah, don't even.
Here you are, buddy.
That problem when we were in first grade.
Crabsicles. And over here there's a bunch of fish.
Not touch the animals. Oh, they're both over here? Or is there more than two?
1, 2 skates. There are 2.
They're visiting. Oh, and the blue is going over there. Bless you. Just don't drop your phone in the water.
I'm not going to.
So once you're done recording. Oh, look, it's sticking out of the water. Did you see that?
Yeah, I'm getting footage of it too. I'm struggling to race it. It's racing to meet its friend. Big chungo of a fish. And you over here. And then you right here. And then that weird looking box fish thing over there. There you go. There it is. What? Are you allowed to do this?
What?
Are you allowed to do this thing?
seal vertebrate. Whale vertebrate. That's one of those ones. What is a baby seal called?
And look at the size of you.
It's a fat old bullfrog, damn it. These little hat thing.
What is it?
It's a baby eastern rat. It's a baby black rat snake. In the corner
That
there.
is a baby.
I'm sure it's Emperor Fat Stone Face right behind the
Uh-huh.
leaves.
And the turtle. If you've seen it. Oh, hello.
This frog's a mini boy. Frog's is
Oh, yeah.
the big ass copperhead. My best friend here. My favorite animal here.
Oh, hello.
Smile.
I've probably gotten a million pictures of you in different times and lakes.
Yeah, still stations. Oh, a tiny little side turtle, right over on the other side. Also, a bigger turtle over there.
It looks like that thing that looks like a big old pancake.
Yeah, there's a terrapin.
Is that what that is?
It's a terrapin, and there's a painted turtle.
Yep.
Dude,
I saw the
planking.
turtle first.
Take a picture, he's planking.
Oh,
Now he's moving.
hello. Oh, are you being antsy?
I may not be in the right station, but I can still take footage of the snapping turtle. Oh yeah, big black racer over there. That's what Rick caught.
Yeah.
That's what Rick caught, right? A big black racer. I did not realize they could get that huge.
Imagine.
I didn't realize they could get that big. It's massive. Look at back, baby.
It's like all of a sudden he woke up when we walked over. Oh, because he sees you in your camera.
Look at that, he's posing.
Oh, look at that thing.
It's huge.
It looks like a garden hose.
So blind.
Oh, that's it. They're doing tennis to Phil.
Oh, yeah.
You want a picture?
Alright, take a picture. Wow, this is a good open.
Yo,
You are.
that is what I'm looking for. Look at that versus the rat snake. The other rat snake. Who's bigger? Do you think it's bigger, Mom? That rat snake? That little boy, that boy down, that over there, or this guy right here? I think this guy's maybe a few inches bigger.
I think you're right.
This guy's huge.
This picture.
I just want to pick him. I just want to pull this thing out. This is what we saw earlier. That's what we saw earlier. This is what you see now.
But that
It's the
one
same
is
species.
like black and white.
That's a baby. It says juvenile. It specifically said juvenile.
Yeah.
I don't know where the camper's on.
You know what's interesting though?
My wait. Looks. Hold on. Florence, that's huge, but hold on.
Oh, scavenger hunt things go there.
Not yet.
So many children.
What has black? What is black with yellow stripes? The garter snake. Is what?
He loves into the wall.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the frogs.
Oh, these are big.
You know, they can bite, they hurt, you know.
Well, they got things about.
You ever get bit by a frog like that?
Yeah.
They can bite your finger,
Oh,
break your finger.
This thing looks bright. Mommy, look in my camera. It looks like it's bright blue.
Look how long he is.
Mommy, come here. Look in the camera.
Badger?
Look. It looks bright blue.
He
See?
does. You're right.
Oh, yeah.
Gorgeous animal.
You're right.
Huge snake. Sorry about that, buddy.
Poor turtles can't compete in the snake room.
Oh, don't worry. He's still awesome. But yeah. Look at that cookies and cream. He looks like he's cookies and cream.
They can take the snapper.
I've
7 feet long.
One of them is, it looks like it's about to shed.
He's got
Mommy, one of
that
them's
big
about to
tank
shed.
and the snapper's got the little-
See the white cap on top of one of their eyes? That means it's about to shed. That's the eye cap. That thing's in blue. Once that thing smooths out, it's about to shed. Beautiful northern water snakes. I still want to pick them up. Yeah, that's the one that gave me.
Back in the tree.
You did?
Huh? I'll get down this and
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it.
Oh, there you are. And then there's the black racer.
There's another one right there.
He's absolute Chad.
There's the copperhead.
Gorgeous little thing. And over here is the black red snake. It's absolute giant. Oh, look at this, guys. Now it's a tiny bit open.